What's up, Fit Gamers? P1 Fit here with an exercise tip for you. We've all heard about the squat and how foundational it is for our movement. It helps us sit, helps us run, helps us jump. Well, over time that creates imbalances, maybe using one side more than the other. So you maybe have heard about Iso-Lateral one leg training. What? Then again, that's the one. Well, if you have yourself an exercise ball, or you can replace it with a chair, you can do a couple of these movements here. So let's show it. Roll it! What are we doing here today? Somebody's gonna jump in the chair like, oh my god, it's that guy!
A little bit of feel good, giving back to your body.
Can we hit the guy in the middle? Yes! That's why I play this game. First, take the exercise ball, place it against the wall, mid-back to low back. Your back knee is going to shoot towards the floor at 90 degrees, while your front leg stays at 90 degrees as well. Lean against the exercise ball so you feel a little bit of pressure in the front thigh. And of course, switch sides. For the next movement, since there's a little more stability and balance involved, be sure to anchor the exercise ball against the wall. Same concept, except now there's a little bit more hip control and stability involved. Finally, you're ready for the single leg squat. Resist as much as you can on one leg and use a little bit of the bounce of the exercise ball to help you back up to standing. Give it a shot on your own.